Actually, this is one spot that's done quite well anyway over the last few days, but the rain from this morning's now moved on. The sunshine's broken through, as it has once again in Belfast. We've seen the odd shower passing through, but I don't think we'll see too many of those yet through the rest of the afternoon. But there are some showers around across western Scotland and across northern and western parts of Northern Ireland, but those brighter skies that we saw are going to be filtering southwards, so I think much of northern England brightening up over the next hour or two, along with the bulk of Wales, the southwest of England too, and maybe the North Midlands if you're lucky, but really from Lincolnshire down through East Anglia, the southeast of England and the East Midlands particularly, we're looking at fairly cloudy conditions through the rest of the day. Still rain around, and some of that rain could well turn heavy from time to time through the rest of the afternoon and into this evening. Temperatures struggling a bit, 9 or 10 degrees typically, and feeling particularly chilly, I think, across the northwest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, where that wind is becoming fairly brisk now through the rest of the day. Now, we'll keep one or two showers going in the northwest through this evening, and we'll pep up the rain for a time across East Anglia and the southeast as well before it starts to pull away later in the night. And then those showers feeding down into Wales and the northwest of England for a time, and it's not just going to be wet here, it's going to be pretty windy for a time as well overnight. Strong winds blowing down from the Irish Sea, pushing down through Cardigan Bay, could well touch gale force in fact over the Irish Sea for a time, and then later in the night those stronger winds extending down across the north coast of Devon and Cornwall. So a pretty breezy start to the day, I think, across western areas tomorrow. As the day goes on, the stronger winds extending across to the east coast, so it is going to feel cool with those northerly winds, 9, 10, perhaps 12 degrees in the south. Still the chance of some thicker cloud giving one or two showers across eastern coastal counties of England in particular, but as you can see, for most of us it's a much brighter prospect with some reasonable sunny spells coming through. Temperatures around 9 to 12, as I say. Those temperatures, though, aren't going to change a great deal. We were expecting a bit of a cold snap towards the end of this week. As you can see, blink and you miss it. It's just really Friday, perhaps the early part of Saturday, that looks a little bit colder, but the real strength of that cold snap moving in across Scandinavia rather than the UK. So Thursday, actually, fairly mild once again. The best of the brightness across southern areas, rather cloudy again further north, and up during Friday, brighter skies following on behind, and the weekend at the moment, Darren, doesn't look bad.